Hey Harry, this is Dave. I just wanted to give you a brief update and tell you how happy I am with the entire course. I had an HVAC business for over 25 years and I sold it. I was looking for something just part time to enjoy through my retirement, but as it turns out, the leads were so great and so many that sometimes I actually have to shut down the leads for the appliance repair because they come in so fast. I actually started making money from day one, and I just do what I feel like doing. I can be very independent, and I want to tell you that all aspects of the course are extremely helpful. I think some of the best advice that you had given in the course really is what to avoid, what jobs to just simply walk away from. Again, after spending nearly 3 decades in the HVAC business, it took me a long time to learn that and start making money. But with your course, you put it out there right in the very beginning. So I just want to tell you how happy I am with everything. I got the laptop and all the stuff that you offered. What a great course, and thank you for the ongoing support as well. Thanks again, Harry. You did a great job with the course.